Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss another topic of control panel, which is recovery options and worker space. Both the options are easy to understand and apply any individual who learn computer, who are using computer. So let us see what is this options. Let us do. This is the card space is the card for username and his personal information systems. That is, if I am using this PC, then I have to log on all details, record all details with including my contact number, etc. in this Windows card space. Similarly, other user can also record his data of his data in this card space. So this is the option of Windows card space. I will do practical later on. This is recovery option, which gives the option of system restore. That is, it says your definition C, restore your system to an earlier time without affecting your files, and replace everything on your computer and install Windows. That is, it is like new installation, but it will create it will take the image from earlier recorded restore point. So let us first click on this recovery option, and here it is the option open system restore. Once again, you should read this line to understand the options utilities of restore point. System restore can resolve many system problems and is the best recovery method to try first. For serious problems, use the advanced recovery methods. So it will supposed to be done when your problems, the computer have some problems and not responding to your commands, or restart frequently after a few minutes of running. So in this process, you should use system restore, this option, and this option is available in the safe mode portion also. So let us do it and show how it will work. Click on system restore. System restore can help fix problem. Again, the definition work is here. That might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding, that is in your PC. So there are two options. One is that recommended restore, where the recent changes are reverted, and second thing is show a different restore point, where we have found some restore point where we have created the restore point itself. So this is clear. Number one is that the recommended restore. Select this option to undo the most recent update driver software. Here given that one software has been updated here on 10th 8 October at this time, and this is called Windows Modules Installer. So it will revert this process. This is wipe out the process from this system and like reinstall our OS. And second option is this show the different restore point. So now let us try it now first, because there is no more programs installed in these options, recent option. So I will go it to show you. Here you see this is on the same date, 8 October, there is the automatic restore point created. And second is the Windows module install, which is, I have already told you that it is some software has updated, and that point has been created at this time. So if we select this, then my computer will go to the status situation of that of the PC at that time, where the system file were of doing at this time, and updated software has been replaced after that options. So it is the selection of options, restore point, and click on the next to select the option. This is the confirmation page. That is, if I will click on finish, it will complete the restore options, and once it will restart. So this is the shortest and small problem solver option of that restoring your PC in the earlier stage. So next, the second option is that which was the recent effect, the recent developments or recent changes has been will be reverted. So these are the restore point process. So this I will just now cancel this, because I have not I don't want to restart or restore a PC at this stage. So I think it is clear to you that how the wizard will work and how this option will work, and the summary is given here. The reverting time is showing here. So that is the recovery option of control panel. And next I will show you the control panel items that work. Card space. I click on it, and you see one window will appear where some card will be created with the wizard, and all the information I should have been provided that will be recorded at this computer. So you see, this is the window card space, and here add option is there, and create personal card. These are the fields what we should do entry here. Picture camera rate. Card is created here. So this is the process. You see how the window card has been created here, and how the data has been added to this options. Is discussed today two things, and in my next video I will carry out some new things of control panel items which help your computer operation. Thank you, and if it is helpful, please share to these videos to your friends, and subscribe also my videos.